Let us explore Microsoft's latest AI innovations. Microsoft is accelerating from AI assistants to full-fledged intelligent agents. Their roadmap spans the following: on-device AI with powerful Copilot plus PCs and local models enabled through MCP and AI Foundry. Autonomous coding and security, from GitHub agents that manage code to security agents protecting enterprises. Copilot tuning, tenant Copilot, and industry-specific AI clouds. Purpose-built solutions for government, science labs, manufacturing, retail, and sustainability. Let's dive in. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We bring you groundbreaking AI innovations even before they are available to the public. Let's explore the top 10 Microsoft AI advancements of 2025. 1. Copilot Vision for Windows. Copilot can now see your screen, analyzing open windows, documents, and apps to provide contextual suggestions. No subscription needed and available to Windows 10 and 11 users. 2. AI-powered Microsoft Edge Enhanced Search. Edge History Search now understands natural language, corrects typos, and captures context. It's entirely processed on device, ensuring speed and privacy. 3. Autonomous coding agents in GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot can now autonomously address issues, generate PRs, respond to code reviews, and follow CI/CD rules. It's available in Copilot Pro and Enterprise editions. 4. Windows AI Foundry and Model Context Protocol, MCP. Windows supports model customization and orchestration using Anthropic's Model Context Protocol and Microsoft's AI Foundry tools. 5. Copilot plus PCs with on-device AI. Copilot plus PCs feature high-performance neural processing units, 40+ trillion operations per second. They enable real-time local AI on your PC, image generation, transcription and translation, and much more without the cloud. 6. Azure AI Studio and Foundry for Enterprises. Azure AI Studio empowers teams to build, tune, and manage custom copilots. AI Foundry adds full lifecycle management and enterprise-grade orchestration. Windows AI APIs unlock the power of models shipping with Windows. Foundry Local pulls in your favorite open-source models and makes your app smarter. Windows ML allows you to bring your own model, run it on Windows platform. 7. Microsoft 365 Copilot with reasoning agents and tuning. Reasoning agents handle multi-step tasks and deep analysis. Copilot tuning allows enterprises to customize copilots with internal data and logic. 8. AI-powered security agents. New agents in Microsoft Defender and Sentinel handle security tasks such as phishing detection, alert triage, vulnerability analysis, and more. 9. Azure Quantum AI, public cloud-based quantum computing platform developed by Microsoft. 10. Microsoft Copilot for the U.S. defense sector. A military-grade secure version of Microsoft 365 Copilot is set to launch in the second half of 2025, designed for U.S. defense and federal agencies. This version meets strict compliance and data residency standards. What's coming next from Microsoft AI? 1. Copilot memory and proactivity. Future Copilot updates will feature long-term memory and proactive behavior, reminding you of routines, travel, or pending actions across your workflow. 2. Tenant Copilot and Agent Factory. Enterprises will soon get digital twins powered by multi-agent systems. These copilots can manage workflows and orchestrate data across platforms like SAP, Salesforce, and Workday. 3. Microsoft Discovery for scientific R&D. Microsoft Discovery accelerates research in pharma and material science through AI-generated hypotheses and autonomous experimentation. 4. Edge Quantum Browser. An AI-first browser will be released in late 2025. Edge Quantum will feature voice-driven navigation, real-time summarization, and content ideation, powered by local and cloud models. 5. AI Cloud for Industries. Microsoft is launching industry-specific AI clouds for retail, manufacturing, and sustainability reporting, available through Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Fabric. 6. Multilingual live translation expansion. Copilot PCs will soon support real-time, on-device translation in over 40 languages, ideal for global meetings, emails, and presentations. 7. Power Platform AI enhancements. Copilot will soon auto-build Power BI dashboards, Power Automate flows, and Power Apps logic from plain text or voice instructions. 8. Developer AI Control Layer. New Copilot runtime APIs will let developers control how copilots reason, act, and coordinate, perfect for custom business applications. 9. AI-enhanced Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is getting smarter with emotion detection, intelligent summarization, and contextual document recommendations. 10. Embedded AI in Office templates and forms. Word, Excel, and Forms will soon embed AI copilots to write, analyze, and auto-populate based on emails, calendars, and business data. From on-device copilots to multi-agent orchestration, Microsoft is transforming how we work, code, research, and protect. This is the future of intelligent systems, built right into your tools. Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds. We bring you the latest AI innovations even before they are available to the public.